Hi, today I'm explaining about symbols in Animate CC, otherwise Flash. Okay, so what are the symbols actually? Okay, so we have three type of symbols are there in Animate CC. So one is graphic symbol. Okay, so GRAPHIC graphic SYMBOL graphic symbol. Okay, next is movie clip symbol. Movie clip symbol. Next is button symbol. Button symbol. Okay, we'll check one by one actually. So what is symbol actually? Symbol is the main asset of the Flash Animate CC. Okay, so here I'll explain actually what is symbol. The symbols are like images, graphic elements. Okay, and suppose here I'm creating one object here. This is my one shape object. Okay, if I want to take one more, so what we'll do, same the shape, if you want to create, what we'll do, Control C and Control V. Okay, we'll copy and paste, and again we'll copy and paste. So the same way, how many you want, will copy and paste. Okay, so many things. Suppose 100 shapes you want in animation, the same the squares 100 or more than 100 you want, so that time you can copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste multiple times. Okay, then you can save that file. The finally what, the file size can be bigger. So because the one with one shape the file size is different, the two shapes it is different, but here you are copying and pasting and many times. Okay, so because of the copy paste it is multiplying many times, and then you can save it automatically. It will take the big file size. Okay, so but in Flash, the Flash strategy, what, with less file size only we create your animations, your graphics, whatever, because we are uploading your animations and graphics to the web for internet usage. We use this software actually. Okay, your animations also, you create animations, lengthy animations, and suppose the big 90 minutes animation, or otherwise 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minutes animations, the file size can be, sometimes it is in KBs and the few MBs only. Because of the less file size we upload to the web. Okay, so how it is possible with Animate CC with the less file size, how you create the whole lengthy animations? The reason is, behind is, we have a symbol procedure. So here we are copying and pasting many times. Okay, but in symbols you can create one only, then we can create the duplicates. Here we have a name of the duplicate is instance of these symbols. Let us check what are these. Yeah, I'll create one more. Okay, create one box here. Suppose select this. After selecting this, okay, so can insert a new symbol, or otherwise right click on that and convert to symbol. Okay, again select this. By selecting this, or otherwise drag this, or otherwise from the timeline there is a layer, you can select that particular layer button. Okay, automatically it will select, and right click on that, and there is a convert to symbol. That means your shape, your drawing, you are converting into symbol. Just click on that. Here your symbols are displaying. The type of symbols are 3: movie clip, button, and graphic. Let us check one by one. First I'll start with the graphic. So say graphic, and the registration mark can be center. I'll explain about these registration marks in coming lessons. Okay, yeah, you can give the name, whatever the name you can give, or for time being I'm leaving this as it is. Okay, and say OK. Yes, now check your shape. Around the shape there is kind of the blue line. Okay, so the dot is there, the registration mark. Already we kept the registration mark at center only, so because of this the mark is showing at center. Okay, this is graphic symbol. So graphic symbol, what is graphic symbol? Graphic symbols were the static symbols. Okay, the static images, static the poses are graphic images. Okay, so statically it can appear and stays, and suppose you converted that shape into symbol, and then can go to library. From library your symbol stored. You can check here, this is box and this is box. It is showing the symbol icon. Okay, you can name it, double click it and name it, whatever the name. You can drag this symbol on this stage, or otherwise from here also you can drag, and I am dragging this symbol. Yes, see, one more you can, so one more you can, so one more you can drop as many you want. Okay, yes, so these are the copies of the symbol, but here say it is a instance of the symbol. Because of the instance, you are not copying and pasting this, but in a previous slide what we discussed, it is a copy paste. Because of the copy paste it will take more file size, but here we are not copying and pasting, we are dragging the instance of that symbol. So instance means here like a shade from your body. When you walk, your shadow also can move along with you, but you can wait, your shadow and the body, your weight can be the same. Because of your shadow, your weight cannot be more. Okay, the same way here, the one graphic symbol is there, one graphic image there, along with the graphic, so your instances are following. Okay, suppose here what I'll do, the benefit of the symbol is, if you can change, modify one shape, automatically all the other instances can change. For example, you can select any one, okay, and double click on that. Yes, you went into the first the object shape what you created on the stage. This is your actual the mark image. Okay, so here you try to change the shape. See, automatically it is changing, other instance also changing. Okay, so you went into symbol editing mode. Okay, so now you come out from the symbol editing mode. So how you come? By double clicking on that, or otherwise There is a arrow mark here. There is arrow mark here. Just click on that. Now you come out from the symbol editing mode. Yeah, these are the instances. Okay, the changed instances. So the benefit of this symbol is, suppose you created 1000 or 10,000 drawings of the one character, and one character, suppose in head you forgot one eyebrow or otherwise one detail of the character. Okay, for 10,000 drawings, no need to create 10,000 eyebrows of that. So just you can click on that symbol eyebrow and you can give some modification on that, or otherwise add something. Suppose you added some modification to that and you come out of this symbol, it can add to 10,000 drawings. The same modification can add. So this is the benefit of the symboling. That is the main asset of the Flash Animate CC. So don't forget, it's very, very important. So because of this reason, the Animate CC is more popular in web world, web graphics. Okay, because of this you'll get the less file size. Because of the less file size, you can upload and download very easily, quickly. Okay, so this is the symbol graphics, the graphic symbols. And suppose if you want to change the color of this, you can change the colors. Suppose here you can use whatever the color you want. Advanced, in advanced, see, you are modifying colors. See, beautiful. See, whatever. Yes, suppose. Like that. Yes. See, for the instances colors also you can change individually. Okay, and again you click, double click on anyone and you can drag that. This will apply to the entire portion. Okay, so this is the about the graphic symbols. Okay, so graphic symbols always you can create their instances, and their instances, if you can save it, the file size can be the same, and from instances, select each instances and you can change the color of that particular instances. Okay, and if you want to change the color, and you can check from the properties, first to select that, and from properties there is a color effect. From color effect you can choose. Suppose here I choose this one, I choose this one, and suppose here I'm using this tint. Those tints here, there are number of values you can apply. You can add, decrease and increase. Okay, and here suppose again here in advanced we have the alpha, red, green and blue. So you reduce this alpha 0, it is disappearing because you are keeping that into 0. Okay, in the same way here none, come to your actual, the first applied red, and here alpha, you can decrease this alpha. See, alpha means opacity. Here you are applying the opacity. Suppose this is 47%, and suppose I applied the 0, still your graphic instance is there, but the visibility, there is no visibility, because you can double click on that, enter into that, and you can give the modification. for that. Okay, I'm giving modification and it is applying for everything. Now you can improve the alpha value to 100%. Okay, and suppose here these are the already explained you about the position and sizes and all. Okay, you can change the position by selecting individually, make it smaller and bigger. You can keep changing whatever size you want. Okay, so these are the symbols. Suppose here there is a in properties the three different symbols are appearing. You can convert this into a movie clip and button clip also. I'll explain about all these things. Okay, so this is the, about graphic symbols. So graphic symbols individually can record individually as a image, as a graphic symbol. We say graphic symbol is statics. Okay, static symbols. So you can create as many as, suppose you can select these all and right click here, and suppose distribute to keyframes. Suppose here see your all frames convert into keyframes. Suppose this is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3 and this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, distribute it to keyframes. So don't forget, I'll explain about keyframes and all later in coming classes. And suppose here you can select now everything and you can right click. Suppose here distribute to layers. So layer wise one the spread into layers. So 1 to 1 1 1 1. So these are okay, but right now I don't want that. I'll be back into normal. Okay, the same way here we have suppose the rotations are there, scales are there. Okay, the flip vertical, flip horizontal. See there, you can check one symbol, so it can be movable. Suppose it is in flip horizontal. Suppose yes, it is horizontal. Okay, so in animation we'll understand clearly, okay, more about symbols. So then the next symbol is the movie clip. So I'll explain about this movie clip in the next class, because you have to understand and practice, because without practicing, if I say continuously, won't understand. Okay, so I'm allowing you to experiment yourself what I did now, so you also have to do yourself. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask. Okay, thank you.